Mayor, eto napaka-exciting hindi lang sa mga taga Bacolod ano, yung may nakita kami yung sa Facebook post nyo about sa your very big dream, ika nga, goal na gawing super city ang Bacolod. So with your indulgence, pakikwento nga Mayor kung ano yung parang na imagine nyo how would be Bacolod City when it becomes a super city, Mayor.
Well, ano na yan? It's a combination of all of the public service na nakukuha ng ating mga constituents from health, education, livelihood, uh, and yung in a nutshell, parang ang concept doon, work, live, and play. So, madali magtrabaho, madali maghanap ng trabaho, hindi nahihirapan, may security, yung live, magandang mga housing facilities, maganda ang mga environment, maganda yung mga mobility ng tao pagdating sa access of uh, well, viable transportation. And then yung play, meron po tayong mga magandang parks, magandang museum, magandang mga pwedeng maging hobby or your passion for whatever na gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo, no? So it's designed to be incorporating all of those that hinahanap natin sa isang maunlad na community, no? And at the same time, it's continuously growing, sustainable. We are also looking at it now. We are transforming the city towards digitalization so that we can access technology and improve people's daily lives, no? So, lahat yan, no? Pag sinabing super city kasi talagang malawak ang malawak ang ibig sabihin eh. It requires uh, uh, a functional community, government, private sector, hand in
Environment.
hand working towards a better goal, no?
So, with your description, Mayor Albi, parang na-imagine ko na parang magiging Singapore-like yung Bacolod someday. Siguro, in your term, who knows, Mayor, di ba? Parang, tapos,
Yeah.
ngayon, we are entering the era of yung AI, artificial intelligence, yung technology. So, that would be talagang, kung ma-realize, ay napakaganda na pamana ninyo sa Bacolod City, Mayor.
Tama yun, no? Tama yun. In fact, ang model namin is Singapore. Sabi ko nga dito sa mga kasamahan ko, ano ba meron sa Singapore dati na wala dito sa Bacolod? It was an island, wala naman natural resources na pwedeng pagmalaki. Hindi katulad ng Saudi Arabia, they have all of these natural resources. Kumbaga, sila mismo it was created by the people yung pag-develop ng Singapore. So sabi ko kung ano meron sa Singapore, meron din naman ng ang Bacolod. So if we just get our act together, pwede natin talagang ma-achieve yung katulad ng Singapore. So yun yung yun yung naging battle cry namin, o yan yung mga nagiging namin strategy
Well,
to achieve the super city status.